So, magandang araw kabola. So, sa video na ito, pag-uusapan po natin yung nilabas nga po na pool ni Coach Tim Cone kabola. Preparation po para sa paparating na qualification for the FIBA World Cup at ang aming suggestion po sa Ginebra. So, kung hindi pa nakasubscribe, pakipindot naman po yung subscription button. So, ito na nga po yung final 12 po ng Gilas kabola. Na, kumbaga ito daw yung core eh. So, Thompson, Fajardo, Malonzo, Tamayo, Perez, Newsome, Kiambao, Edu, Ramos, Oftana, Soto, Brownie, kabola. So, that's the 5, kabola. I mean, the 12 that Coach Tim Cone will rely on. Dito talaga siya daw magpo-focus sa 12 na ito. And in a way, all of these guys are in prime other than Kai Soto, Carl Tamayo, AJ Edu, and Kevin Kiambao, kabola. But all of those can fight for a spot in the top 40 players po that can play in the national team. So wala akong issue dyan, kabola. Overall, this team is very versatile, kabola, on both ends, kabola. Pero one thing na pwede kong sabihin dito, kabola, na kulang is wala siyang glue guy dun sa forward or wing position, kabola. Diba? Which is of course understandable naman. Kumbaga wala po siyang Norwood eh. Diba? Wala siyang Norwood type, kabola. And of course, hindi naman really need yung Norwood to be successful, diba? There are a lot of ways naman. Pero overall, yun yung isang missing na type po ng player. And then if you look at it, yes, it has shooting, but I am not really sure if it is not that low with this crew. Kasi they basically have 3 non-shooter dito po, diba? They have, of course, Fajardo is basically non-shooter. Kai Soto, pwede natin pong sabihin na non-shooter din po siya. Diba? And in a way, diba, if you look at it, hindi pa rin naman polish yung kina Thompson, kina Edu. Diba? So, pag pinag-combine mo yun, parang isang non-shooter din. So, parang tatlo. And we know how the current modern basketball works. So, overall, I think this is a good 12. Pero there are good names that are missing there. Yung iba medyo obvious, di ba? Like Teddy Ravena. Teddy Ravena is now playing very well sa Japan. And one reason actually kaya siya maganda yung nilalaro niya din is yun nga pong pagkatanggal sa kanya dati sa Gilas lineup. Ano po? And then if you look din po sa lineup, wala sila in a way yung pure point guard type. Thompson, Perez are point guards. Malamang ang lalaruin po nila. But let us be honest, they are not pure point guards. Kaya naman sayang, 'di ba? Kasi hindi nila naalala si Heading. Although there's a good chance kasi na nangyari diyan nasunog na nga po ni Heading yung bridge to the SBP. And then one more guy missing is Baltasar, which could have been that guy that can act with as the gugay na binabanggit ko kanina. Kabola, 'di ba? So, unfortunately, 'di ba? Maalala pa ba meron dating incident, 'di ba, last year before the Asian Cup. Nasabihan na si Baltasar ayaw niya maglaro. So, it seems like ayaw ni Coach Tim Cone prove na siya po ay nagsisisi na doon and instead, talagang panindigan na lang, kabola ay nawala na pong connection si Baltasar dito nga po sa SBP. Now, let's look po the comments po of some fans dun sa ating recent po na post. Yan ang nagpapasama sa PBA. Kaya fans hate watching, I agree. Farm teams, doon ako naniniwala kay Snow nung nag-post siya ng recording dati. Di ako believe dyan. I agree. Kabola, di ba? I mean, matagal naman yan. Sobrang ganda po ng hit rate talaga ng mga rumor ni Snowbado. Pa-shout out, yes, Sir Ronald. And then, of course, puro ka naman fake news, sabi ni Ryan Malagwenyo. Now, let's also talk about Ginebra. Pinaka-latest po na eliminate, kabola. And we will suggest a trade for help them, kabola. Moving forward, for me, it's simple lang. 2024 phase for Isaac Go, kabola. I think if you look at their lineup naman, they have a very good lineup still. Especially in the coming Philippine Cup. Ang naging issue lang talaga against San Miguel is of course they were outcoached. I mean, doon nga din si Coach Tim Cone, diba? And then yun nga, hindi po talaga nag-step up si Bishop during that playoffs. So, getting a young big man that can, in the future, take over one of the spot of either Stan Heidinger or Aguilar, most likely, kabola, a good move for them to do now. And I do believe that they need a giant, diba? The more giant you have, the better your chances. Ganun lang naman po yan. So overall, kabola, ito pa yung tamang trade po para sa Ginebra. Comment lang po sa baba.